Hello everyone, this is Karthik from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, studying in CSCAI branch. So today we are going to discuss about collection classes. After the completion of this video, you will be able to understand what is collection framework, the advantages of collection framework, the methods of collection interface, and the collection framework interfaces. So these are the five topics you will go to know about the completion of this video. So first, what is collection? A collection is an object that contains group of objects treated as a single unit. Generally, collection is an object that contains group of objects and these are treated as a single unit. Any type of objects can be stored, retrieved and manipulated as the elements of collection. Any type of object that can be, they can be stored and they can be retrieved and they can be manipulated as the elements of the collection. And there is a separate collection framework named Java collection framework. It is available in Java Development Kit 1.2, which holds all the collection classes and interfaces in it. This is about collection, and now you'll be able to understand what is collection. And the next thing is, what is collection framework? Collection framework is a unified architecture for managing collections. It is a unified architecture for managing collections, and there are three main parts of the collection framework. One is the interface, and the second one is the implementation, and third one is the operation. These are the three main parts of the collection framework. So interface is core interfaces defining common functionality exhibited by collections. And implementations are the concrete classes of the interfaces providing the data structures. And third one is operations. Operations are the methods that performs various operations on the collections. These are the methods that can be performed on the collections. So what are the advantages of collection framework? There are three main advantages of collection framework. The first one is constant API, second one is reduces programming effort, and third one is increases programming speed and quality. So uh, the first one is constant API. The API has a basic set of interfaces like collection, set, list or map all the classes that implements these interfaces have some common set of methods. And the second advantage of collection framework is reduces programming effort. A programmer doesn't have to worry about the design of the collection. So a programmer need not to worry about the collection design of the collection. Rather than he can put his focus in the best way that he can use in his program. This is the second advantage of collection framework. And the third advantage of collection framework is increases program speed and quality. It increases the program speed and the quality. So increases performance by providing high performance implementations of useful data structures and algorithms, because in this case the programmer need not to think about the best implementation of a specific data structure. He can simply use the best implementation to drastically boost the performance of the algorithm and the program. So these are the advantages of collection framework. And now you'll be able to understand what is collection, what is collection framework, and what are the advantages of collection framework. And there are some methods of collection interface. There are 10 methods of the collection interface, and the first method is add method, and the second method is get method, and third method is add all method, fourth one is remove, fifth one is int size, sixth one is void clear, seventh one is contains, eighth one is contains all, ninth one is iterator, and tenth one is empty. Add method is used to add an element into the collection framework collection. So add method is used to add or insert a element into the collection. Get method returns the element specified position in the collection. It returns the element at the specified position in the collection. And the third one is add all. Add all method is used to insert the specified collection elements in the invoking collection. And the fourth one is remove element. It deletes the element from the collection. Remove method is used to delete the element from the collection. And the fifth one is int size. It tells how many elements are there in the collection. Returns the total number of total number of elements from the collection. And the sixth one is contains method. It is used to search an element. Contains method is used to search an element. Contains all. It is used to search the specific collections in this collection. And the ninth method is iterator method. Iterator methods returns an iterator. Empty checks if a collection is empty. Empty method is used to check whether the collection is empty or not. And the iterator method returns an iterator. These are the 10 methods in collection interface. And we'll see collection framework interfaces. There are 5 collection framework interfaces. First one is collection, second one is set, third one is sorted list, fourth one is list, fifth one is map, and sixth one is sorted map. So the description is given here. Collection specifies contract that all the collections should be implemented. And the second one is set, defines functionality for the set of unique elements. Third one is sorted list, defines functionality for a set where elements are stored. It defines a functionality for the set where the elements are stored. And the fourth one is list, defines functionality for an ordered list of non-unique elements. Map defines functionality for mapping of unique keys to the values. So it defines functionality for mapping the unique keys to the values. And the last one is sorted map, defines functionality for a map where its keys are sorted. It defines functionality for the map where the keys are sorted. These are the 6 collection framework interfaces. First one is collection, second one is set, third one is sorted list, fourth one is list, and fifth one is map, and sixth one is sorted map. And you can go through this diagram to understand more about Java collection frameworks. And these are the frameworks. And collection, whenever we would like to represent a group of objects as a single entity. So this you know about collection, right? This is given in the collection. We'll skip this and we'll go to the list. List is a child interface of the collection. It's a child interface of the collection and representing a group of objects as a single entity with condition that duplicate identified by index insertion ordered is preserved. This is the condition. So and preserving insertion ordered by index. So child list is a child of a collection. So and the next one is set. It is a child interface of collection. It is also a child interface of collection representing a group of objects as a single entity with the condition that duplicates are not allowed, insertion ordered is preserved. This is also have a condition and the condition is given here. So it is a child interface of the collection. Sorted set, it's a third one. It is child interface of the set. It is a child interface of the set. Okay, representing a group of objects as a single entity with the condition that duplications are not allowed, insertion order is preserved, and objects should be stored in some sorted order. These are the conditions. So this is known this is sorted set. And the fourth one is navigable set. You know what is meant by navigable, right? So it is a child interface of sorted set. It's a child interface of sorted set. It is the diagram, you can go through this. Set is a child of collection, sorted set is a child interface of set, navigable set is a child interface of sorted set. It defines several methods for navigation purpose. Tree set is the implementation class. And map interface is not the child of collection interface. If you want to represent a group of objects as key value pairs, then you should go for map. So if you want to represent a group of objects as key value pairs, so you should use this map. Both keys and values are objects. Both the keys and the values are objects. Duplicate key is not allowed, value can be duplicate. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but the values are allowed. I mean, values can be duplicate. Sorted map. The last one is sorted map. It is child interface of map. If you want to represent a group of key value as per some sorting order, then sorted map is used. If you want to represent a group of key values in a sorted order, we use this sorted map. So and the last one is navigable map. It's a child interface of sorted map. It defines several utility for navigation purpose. Tree map is implementation class, and this is the diagram of this is the image of tree map. You can go through this, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.